You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, you're looking at the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco cooker. Haven't used it in a while. And I got 2 later cubes in there. And we're going to get this thing heated up. What are we going to do? We're going to have a little hang-in here. What you doing on a Monday morning? That's going to be good. Going to do some ribs. Why not? We're going to hang them. And here's the hangers. I'll let that get a little established. Oh, let's go take a look at the ribs. All right, so here they are. This one right here has the Cosmos Dry Rub Dirty Bird. This one has the Cosmos Honeybee Killer. I kind of favor the Honeybee Killer. I did not really trim these up. I did pull off, I think, most of the membrane. I'm not worried about it. It's going to be good. And I've never used these hangers though. Never used them before. Got it fired off, and that piece of applewood's already caught on fire, so temperature's gone up. I am going to use this diffuser plate, whatever you want to call it. It will help prevent flare-ups, I'm sure.
What's he doing now? What's he cooking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged. What's he doing now?
It's been fired off for about 40 minutes. I'm in no hurry, and I think it's going to be pretty good. Yes, the Feasto table. I fixed it. I will not be putting anything heavy on there though, but I like the table. Yeah, we'll be bringing the ribs out here shortly. This one set at 1, the top one full open. So, first time to ever do a hanging. Now I don't remember which ones are which, but put the 2 together. Now, the way I put the hooks on, I put the hooks on the most narrow side or end of the ribs. Yeah, I did cut these racks in half, and because this thing just isn't, it's big, but it's, I don't want them too close to that heat so they don't overcook on one side. I did that just so it'd have some uniform cooking. Okay, so these ribs have been in here about, let's say, 3 hours. I'm going to take them off. Well, actually, I'm going to open this up and see what they look like. I'm afraid to open this up and maybe find one laying on the bottom. I don't know. I never hung ribs in here before, so let's take a gander. Oh my goodness, look at that. Is that looking amazing? Oh my gosh. That bone's got a little receding. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, still nice and hot. I'm gonna take them off. Save this one first before it dies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, Now I did not take a temperature because you just seen me open this for the first time. So I don't really care. I like the way they look. I'm gonna wrap them, I think. Yeah. I'll put the grill grate back on there. Let that get cleaned up. And we'll get these wrapped up. Throw them back in. So here they are. I'm just gonna close it up. And I'll give it several hours or however long it takes to be done. Turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna go in the house and watch a little right-wing news. All right, so I just brought them in. Let's take a look at them. I did stick the thermometer in there, and it seemed pretty soft. Bad news is I punched it all the way through the bottom foil. Take a look.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh yeah, that's good. Those are great. Close it back up and let them rest. We'll try some without the sauce, and then I'm going to put some sauce in. Okay, here's some ribs. I let these things rest for maybe an hour. Probably didn't even need to let it rest. It's actually kind of falling off the bone in a lot of ways. Not really, but very, very tender. You know, let me just get a hunk of smoking love. Oh, heck yeah. Perfect. First time to ever hang ribs inside the Bronco. Actually, these are probably the best ribs I've ever made. Preparation wise, I took off the membrane, at least most of it. I didn't trim it at all. I just left everything on there. Old school style. Oh, so good even without the sauce. Look at that. That is Sweet Baby Ray's again. Yeah, so good. Nice. Yes, very good. Hanging ribs. I kind of question, how is it so good? When you don't hang them, you want to compress them like an accordion, but when you're hanging them, they're stretching out. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you all.